Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please subscribe, like, comment and share our videos. In this video, we'll explore the fundamental aspects of starter motors, breaking down the 6 main types and their unique characteristics. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just curious about your vehicle's starting system, hit that subscribe button and let's rev up our knowledge about the heart of automotive ignition. When it comes to the functionality of a vehicle, the starter motor plays a critical role in igniting the engine. But with various types of starter motors available, how do you determine the best fit for your vehicle? In this video, we'll delve into the 6 different types of starter motors, providing you with insight into their unique features and benefits. Whether you're looking to replace a faulty starter motor or seeking an upgrade, understanding the options available can be pivotal in ensuring optimal performance for your vehicle. From traditional direct drive starters to the more advanced gear reduction starters, each type has its own set of advantages and considerations. By identifying the distinguishing characteristics of each type, you'll be better equipped to make an informed decision tailored to your vehicle's specific requirements. In addition to exploring the different types of starter motors, we'll also unravel the key factors to consider when selecting the most suitable option for your vehicle. Understanding the importance of torque, size compatibility, and overall performance can be game-changing in ensuring a seamless and efficient ignition process. By the end of this video, you'll gain valuable insights into the world of starter motors, empowering you to embark on a quest for the optimal starter motor that aligns with your vehicle's needs. Whether you're a seasoned automotive enthusiast or a novice in the realm of vehicle mechanics, this guide aims to equip you with the knowledge to make a confident and informed decision. Traditional starter motors. When it comes to traditional starter motors, 2 main types stand out: direct drive starters and gear reduction starters. Let's take a closer look at each one to understand their design, functionality, and application. Direct drive starters. Direct drive starters, as the name suggests, directly engage with the engine's flywheel to crank the engine. This design features a large, powerful electric motor that provides the necessary torque to initiate the engine's combustion process. Known for their simplicity and reliability, direct drive starters are commonly found in older vehicles and heavy-duty applications. One of the key advantages of direct drive starters is their efficiency. With fewer moving parts, these starters offer a straightforward and robust design, reducing the likelihood of mechanical failure. Their reliability makes them well suited for vehicles operating in harsh conditions or requiring consistent heavy-duty use, such as industrial machinery and older diesel engines. Gear reduction starters. Gear reduction starters, on the other hand, utilize a gear train between the motor and the engine's flywheel to increase torque output while reducing the speed of the starter motor. This design not only enhances the starter's efficiency but also reduces wear on the motor, resulting in a longer lifespan compared to direct drive starters. The gear train in gear reduction starters allows for a higher torque output with a smaller, lighter motor, making them an ideal choice for modern vehicles with high-compression engines. Their compact size and increased torque make gear reduction starters well suited for applications where space is limited, such as in compact cars and performance vehicles. In essence, both direct drive and gear reduction starters have their unique strengths, catering to different vehicle types and operational requirements. Understanding the distinctions between these traditional starter motor types empowers vehicle owners and professionals to make informed decisions regarding their specific application needs. Permanent magnet gear reduction starters. When it comes to vehicle starter motors, permanent magnet gear reduction starters are a popular choice due to their advanced technology and numerous benefits. These starters incorporate a permanent magnet in their construction, contributing to their improved power-to-weight ratio and reduced energy consumption compared to traditional starters. Improved power-to-weight ratio. The permanent magnets utilized in these starters are smaller and lighter than the conventional field windings found in older starter designs. This means that permanent magnet gear reduction starters can provide the same level of power while being significantly lighter and more compact. The reduced weight contributes to improved fuel efficiency, making it an attractive option for vehicle manufacturers and owners seeking to optimize performance and overall efficiency. Reduced energy consumption. Another remarkable feature of permanent magnet gear reduction starters is their reduced energy consumption. Their efficient design allows for a decrease in the amount of power required to start the engine, leading to energy savings and a more environmentally friendly operation. This aligns with the current automotive industry trend of prioritizing sustainability and reducing carbon emissions. Compatibility with modern vehicle systems. In addition to their technological advantages, permanent magnet gear reduction starters are compatible with modern vehicle systems, including hybrid and electric vehicles. The compact size and enhanced efficiency of these starters make them a suitable choice for the evolving automotive landscape, where electrification and sustainability are at the forefront. In summary, permanent magnet gear reduction starters offer a blend of technological innovation, improved performance, and environmental benefits, making them a compelling option for today's vehicles. As automotive technology continues to evolve, these starters are poised to play a pivotal role in supporting the transition towards more sustainable and efficient transportation solutions. Planetary gear starters. When it comes to starter motors, one of the popular types is the planetary gear starter. These starters are widely used in various vehicles due to their efficient and compact design. Let's delve into the construction, functionality, and applications of planetary gear starters. As part 1 of our series on the best starter motor for your vehicle concludes, we hope you've gained valuable insights into the 6 main types and their characteristics. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll delve even deeper into considerations for choosing the right starter motor for your specific vehicle. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.